Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 27 divided by x is equals to square root of x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to move this x which is divided by left hand side into the right hand side. So when we move this into the right hand side, it is multiplied by square root of x, and it will be written as x times of square root of x. And now here further in the next step, here we need to rewrite this equation as first we write our right hand side. Here it is x times square root of x, and we write this 27 as 3 cubed. We know about that 3 cubed becomes here 27. And now here our target is to remove this square root sign, and for this we take squaring on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as in this form. This is 3 cubed and its whole square. And further in the next step we need to apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes here x square into square root of x and its whole square is equals to, here we need to interchange both of these two values. We move 3 outside the term and we move 2 inside the term, and it will becomes 3 square and its whole cubed. And further in the next step we have this is our x square, this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, this is 3 square, and we know about that 3 square becomes 9 and its whole cubed. And now in the next step we have x square multiplied by x becomes x cubed, and we move this 9 cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes here minus 9 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to divide this equation into we need to use here the nice cubic formula to solve further. Here you know about that if we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here when we apply this cubic formula to the above equation, it will be written as, this will becomes here a minus b, here it will becomes x minus 9 times of x square plus x into 9 plus 9 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x minus 9 times of x square plus this is 9 times of x plus this 9 square becomes 81, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 9 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 9x plus 81 equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to 9. This is the first real root of the given equation, and from here we need to find the other roots. So this is the quadratic equation, and here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. And for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 9, and c equals to 81. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c, and it will becomes x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 9 plus minus this is b square, so b is 9 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 81, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 9 plus minus square root of this 9 square becomes 81 minus 4 times of 81 divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And now in the next step we need to see inside the square root sign, and here we have 81 be the common term, and when we take common 81 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And In the next step here, further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus 9 plus minus. Here we know that the square root of 81 becomes 9 times of, this is 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications, and it will becomes here our x is equals to minus 9 plus minus 9 times of the, here you see that negative sign appears inside the square root, so it will becomes here iota, and we get here plus minus 9 times square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And finally we have, there are three roots of the given equation, in which the one root is a real root, that is x is equals to 9, and other two roots are complex roots, and these are in this form. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.